Okay, we've got a very wet little birdie, in the shower. He just had his shower, and he is not a happy camper. He is a little bit angry with his mommy because she made him take a shower. That's his little portable perch. That's the way we take a shower now. And he'll be getting out of the shower in just a minute and getting dried off. He gets done last. I get dried off first. Taco, what you doing? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? Are you my good boy? You my good boy? Yeah? You want to step up? Yeah, you want out of here, don't you? Okay. Look at a birdie snapping. Say hi, girls. I took a shower for ya. I took a shower for ya. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you can't eat the camera. You can't eat the camera. Oh, goodness. Look at that little face. And all those little wet feathers. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll see you in a few minutes. Bye.